Listen carefully because what I am about to tell you might completely change how you think about making money online. Most people that survey apps are a waste of time. They think you cannot earn anything real money from them. And honestly, they are not completely wrong because 90% of survey apps out there are either scams or simply not worth your time. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. There are a few apps that actually pay real money, not fake coins, not useless rewards, but real cash that you can withdraw. And people in the United States are already using these apps every single day to make extra income from these phones. Now, I am not going to lie to you. This is not a get rich quick method. You are not going to make thousands of dollars overnight. But if you use the right apps and follow the right strategy, you can easily make an extra $52 to $100 per month, sometimes even more. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly which survey apps actually pay, how much you can realistically earn, and how to use them the smart way so you don't waste your time. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will also share a secret strategy that most people don't know, and that's what separates people who actually earn money from those who quit after a few days. Let's start. First, let's talk about one of the best platforms out there, and that is Prolific. Now, Prolific is very different from normal survey apps. Most survey apps connect you with random companions and you often get disqualified and after answering a few questions. But Prolific works with universities and researchers. That means the surveys are more statutory, more meaningful, and most importantly, they pay better. On average, you can earn between $8 to $15 per hour on Prolific. Most survey pay anywhere from $1 to $5 and sometimes even more depending on the length. The best part is that you rarely get disqualified, which saves a lot of time and frustration. But here something important. If you really want to maximize your earnings to Prolific, you need to complete your profile properly. The platform use your profile importantly to match you with surveys. So the more accurate and detailed your profile is, the more surveys you will receive. Now let's move to the second platform, and this is one actually make you much more money if you do it right. I am talking about user testing. This is not a typical survey app. Instead of answering questions, you test websites and apps and share your honest opinion while speaking out loud. Companions pay you to understand user behavior and improve their platforms. Most states pay around $10 from 15 to 20 minutes of your time, around $30 per hour, which is much higher than normal survey apps. And sometimes you even get live interviews that can pay up to 60, 90, or even $120. However, there's a small catch. You need to have clear English speaking skills, a good microphone, and a quiet environment. If you can meet these requirements, user testing can become one of your highest paying side income source. Now let's talk about a very popular opinion that many people already know, and that is Swigbucks. Swigbucks is not just a survey platform, it's an all-in-one earning app where you can talk surveys, watch videos, play games, and even earn cashbacks while shopping online. Survey payout usually range from 50 cents to $5, but what makes Swigbucks special is that you are not limited to surveys. If there are not surveys available, you can still earn through our activities. This makes it a very flexible opinion expectedly for beginners. However, you should be prepared from occasionally disqualifications. That's completely normal. So don't get frustrated if it happens. Next, we have Survey Jungle. which is one of the simplest and most beginner-friendly platforms. If you don't want any distraction and just want to focus on service, this is a great choice. The interface is clean, easy to use, and very strategy forward. Most survey pay between 50 cents to $5, and the minimum payout is quite low, which means you can withdraw your earning quickly. It's not the highest paying platform, but it's very reliable and consistent. Now let's talk about a hidden gem that may people overlook, and that is Atapol. Atapol is known for its fast payouts and simple design. You can start earnings almost immediately after signing up, and in many cases, you can withdraw your money within 24 hours. The earnings are usually around $3 to $6 per hour, which is not the highest, but the consistently and speak make it a great addition to your list of apps. Another easy option is Google Opinion Rewards. This is probably the simplest way to earn money from surveys. You receive short surveys that take only a few seconds to complete, and you earn small amounts like 10 cents to $1 per survey. You will not make a lot of money here, maybe $5 to $15 per month, but it's completely effortless. It's basically free money for doing almost nothing. Now, before you get too excited, let's talk about something very important. Most people fail with survey apps, and that reason is simple. You have unrealistic expectation. They think you can make $500 to $1,000 per month just by answering surveys. That's not how it works. The reality is that surveys are meant to be a side income, not a full-time job. A realistic expectation is around $50 to $200 per month, depending on how much time you invest. But here's the interesting part. The people who actually make money from survey apps don't rely on just one platform. They use multiplication apps at the same time. This is the secret strategy that most beginners don't know. If you use one app, you will quick run out of surveys. But if you use 3 to 5 apps together, you always have something to work on. Another important tip is to stay consistent. Even if you spend just 20 to 30 minutes per hour, it adds up over time. Also, make sure you cash out our earnings as soon as you reach the minimum payout. Don't let your money sit in the app for a long time. And finally, always avoid apps that make unrealistic promise. If an app says you can earn hundreds of dollars per day with no efforts, it's most likely a scam. Now, let me ask you everything. If you had to choose just one app from everything I mentioned, which one would you try first? Think about it and comment below with your answer, because I read every single comment and I'd love to know your choice. If you want to learn more ways to make money online, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am going to share more real, practical and beginners friendly methods that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.